नमस्ते सभी को, स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और आज आप लोगों को साथ डिस्कस करेंगे स्टॉक मार्केट का बारे में। और स्टॉक मार्केट फॉल, डिक्सन टेक्नोलॉजीज, ITCs, Godrej Property among 170 stock that hit 52-week low on NSE. Benchmark indices NIFTY50 and SENSEX are trading lower for second straight day, while broader market indices like NIFTY Midcap100 and NIFTY Smallcap100 are trading higher, as many as 165 stock hit 52-week low today. NIFTY50 and SENSEX witnessed sharp volatility today. Market opened lower and gradually declined to hit a day low of 25,603. However, NIFTY50 saw smart recovery from day's low to raise 100 points, while SENSEX recovered over 300 points from day's low. As of 3 p.m., NIFTY50 index is down marginally by 38 points or 0.1% to trade around 25,693, while the SENSEX is trading 181 points lower or 0.2% at 83,445 on January 14. Border market indices like NIFTY Midcap100 plus 0.3% and NIFTY Smallcap100 plus 0.7% are trading higher. Around 170 stock hit their 52-week low amid market fall in the last few trading sessions. The volatility index for India VIX is up 0.4% to 11.25. Among NIFTY sectoral indices, NIFTY IT minus 1.3% and NIFTY Realty minus 0.8% were top loser, while NIFTY Metal plus 2.6% and NIFTY PSU Bank plus 2.1% were top gainer. TCS minus 2.4%, Asian Paint minus 2.4% and Tech Mahindra minus 1.7% were the top three NIFTY50 loser. ITC, Dixon Technologies, Godrej Properties, Tube Investment of India, Dixon Technologies, Tata X-Lex, Pine Labs, Whirlpool of India, CE Infosystems, Polymedicure, Quotient Life Science,